Today I am capturing the moon's energies and turning it into an old-fashioned. Did he really say moon's energies? Yep, I did. Let's go. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways Plus Plus. I'm Doc Martinez, and a few days ago, well really by now, probably a few weeks ago, there was a full moon. And my wife had the idea to capture some of the moon's energy to make moon water. I was confused because she had never done this before, but then she did remind me that she had done this a few years ago when the moon was closer to the earth. I asked her why. She said it gives good energy, and we all love good energy in our life. If you put out good energy, you attract good energy. So we decided to put some bourbon, water, and sugar out overnight and have it capture the positive energy of the moon and make an old-fashioned out of it. I had to do a little research in this, and in doing the research, I found that moon water is a practice where the water is placed under the moonlight to imbue it with the moon's energy. Moon water is believed to carry the moon's energy and vibrations, making it a powerful tool for intentions. I have always believed in putting out good energy into the world and giving it without ever expectation of anything in return. And if you do this with good intention, it will return to you. So why not try this and make a moon old fashioned? Moon old fashioned ingredients: 2 ounces of moon bourbon, half an ounce moon simple syrup, 2 dashes Angostura bitters, dash orange bitters, and optional orange and cherry. All right, I'm gonna start making the moon old fashioned, and I'm gonna make it directly in the glass with the ice that's been sitting here for a while. It's been sitting here for a while. I actually, it melted a lot. Put it in there way too early. I'm also using a Still Austin glass because Still Austin is like, their saying is, keep Austin weird. And this is probably one of the weirdest old fashioned I'm making, but I'm doing it with good intention. When I originally started picturing making this moon old fashioned, the funny thing is I thought, I probably should be doing this in the nude. But for your sake and to avoid a YouTube strike, I opted against it. Lucky you guys. All right, let's start. In a glass, half an ounce of moon simple syrup. So this was the moon water and the sugar that was left out overnight to attract that moon energy. And we're gonna start with that and just put that right in here. Next, we're gonna add 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. I love myself some Angostura bitters, so let's go ahead and put some of that in there. And also a dash of orange bitters. To highlight the orange, we're probably gonna use at the end here. I've always just liked that combination. I always feel like it just brings out so much flavor in some of these bourbons, so I like the way that works. All right, so now this is the moon bourbon. This is bourbon left out overnight with that full moon. Now, I think you can use it during almost any time, but you want to do it when the energy, when it's increasing or at a full moon is where you're supposed to get all those positive energies. So 2 full ounces of this. There's gonna be most of this. All right, let's get a spoon and let's stir this up just a little bit. Now, I definitely want to get a little bit of an orange peel. And you probably want a better cut than this, but here we go. Squeeze this over and just rub it along the side. That way you express those orange oils over it and you can still smell it as you're drinking it. I definitely want to add some cherries to this because that's how I make my favorite old fashioned, with a little bit of cherries. So I'm gonna get 2 cherries with just a tiny bit of that juice and just drop it in the bottom there and just stir it up one more time. And there you have it, my moon old fashioned. I can't say that's no moon, but I can say that is a moon. All right. Time to go in for that first drink. Good old fashioned. Good old fashioned for sure. I love making a nice, solid, good, basic old fashioned. Getting that positive energy to share with all of you out there. So I hope all of you get a little bit more positive energy in your life just from watching this today. No, I'm not a hippie, but I love trying to be positive in my life. My wife does call me Pollyanna. So why not make a drink with some positive energy? We all know this world could use some more of it. Well, my friends, thank you again for joining me on another journey down my old-fashioned rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends, positive energy and cheers.